Grape Ape. Grape Ape. Is that all he ever said? You ever think he may have wanted to go, here we go? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, speaking of down below, let's look inside this package. And what's the best way to look inside a package? By opening the package, of course. So we'll take this, pop that there. Right. And we're going to do the same here. All right. No wonder they leave them in the package. So hard to get out. And they stack so nice. All right. We have Grape Ape. And and we have Grape Ape. So therefore, we have Grape Ape, Grape Ape. So until wait a minute. No, that's not what cheesy joke. So when I flip over the back, that's two different molds. Okay, and the reason I say it's two different molds, if you look over here at the left, right here there is like this line. That's two different plastics being put together. That is so odd. And as you see, it goes on the inside of it as well. And when we look over here, completely solid purple. I mean, this just leads to that there was two different molds, but what do I know? That's right, I don't know much. I only know what the PEZ tell me. Looking at the sides of them, they look pretty similar. The copyrights are both in the same places, but they do have this different pink inside, the candy pusher. If you look at the front of the box when purchasing, if you look on the underside, you'll be able to see this purple-pink color here. And here it's completely solid. So there are your two different variations of the Grape Ape dispenser. Grape Ape. Grape Ape. So until next time.